Willkommen zurück zu The Wolf Among Us. Der Beast steckt tief in der Scheiße. Er hat von der Bloody Mary Geld bekommen, weil er Dienste ausgeführt hat und er weiß vielleicht mehr. Also müssen wir weiter schauen.
It's still not enough. I don't want Beauty to have to work.
Ist Mary immer dort?
It's Mary you deal with? Bloody Mary is there?
No, Johann is the one who hands over the packages, day to day. But I've seen her around there. She gets under my skin, I try to avoid her.
Ja,
But I
verstehe
don't
ich.
need to tell you what she's
You're
like.
damn right you don't. I don't need a rundown on her reputation. If Mary works out of there, I need to look into it.
Provide for Beauty. Give her the kind of life she deserves.
Come on.
We shouldn't have to live like this. Scraping to get by.
None
Hallo?
of us should. We were royalty once. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home. You wouldn't understand, Big.
Nope.
No, probably not.
Ich habe in den Wäldern gelebt.
So, where are you going?
Ich glaube, Butcher Shop ist besser.
I'd like to know where it's coming from.
Also wir schützen Beauty, obwohl ich glaube, dort ist eher... wir finden es eh so oder so raus. Also links. Da würden wir Beauty in Danger bringen. Und da halt eher der Beast, aber der kann sich wehren. Also wir können im Butcher Shop.
I want to know what the crooked man is hiding at that butcher shop.
You know, Bigby, once you show up there, word is gonna spread. Maybe nothing left for you to see if you go to the Lucky Pawn after.
Well, I guess I'll find out.
Wait, I don't know what you're planning to do when you find the Crooked Man, but is there any way you could help us out?
What do you mean?
Well, maybe you can make this all just go away.
I tried.
Really appreciate it. What do you say?
Can you help us out?
You're asking me to kill him, aren't you? Is that what you think I do?
No, of course not.
I don't know how you'd get that idea.
Okay.
We know that the Crooked Man is dangerous to all of Fabletown.
Well, maybe I'll
I'm
kill
gonna
him.
do my job. Lucky for you, that might just solve your problems anyway.
Oh, thank you, Bigby.
I'm sure you'll do the right thing.
Was ist the right thing? Once upon a time there was a wolf. Okay. Rauchverbot. Aber wir rauchen. Stop smoking. Come on. Ist sowieso ungesund mit Silber im Bauch. Let's look around. Ja, komm. Gehen wir gerade hinterher. Ah, shit.
Bigby Wolf?
Yep.
Well, welcome, Sheriff. What can I get for you? You interested in a particular cut? Let's see. What do we have in stock? Let's see what we got here. Flank steak on special. New York strip. I can have some wild boar in tomorrow if you like. Sirloin, ribs, roast, tongue. Got some.
Nein, ich hätte jetzt seinen Namen
Know
sagen.
about the deliveries. One's going in and out of here.
Well, of course there are deliveries. We don't raise the cows in here.
He's told me. He said these
Ich hätte nicht
packages
sollen den
aren't
Namen
unique.
sagen. Shit.
What else would they be? What you see is what you get. Just meat. You don't find anything else.
Kann ich hinterher
We
schauen?
just, we do more wholesale and meat packing than walk-up service. I'd like to help you. Really, I would. But there's nothing.
Don't screw with
Here.
me.
You better stop fucking around, Butcher.
I'm not. I am not fucking around.
I can tell just by looking at it that your meat ain't selling.
Yep,
If you're lying to me, I'm gonna find out.
ich bin der Wolf.
Sheriff, Did you hear that?
What?
Oh,
Real sorry.
fuck.
Hold on. I just gotta go check on that. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Butcher?
I just have to go see.
Oh Gott. Schnell.
Shit.
And there is all meat. Und Bloody Mary versteckt sich wahrscheinlich irgendwo da drin.
Back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out.
Lauf, Liesliger. Oh Gott.
Just wait out front. I'll be right there. I've got a bit of a mess back here.
Coming to help.
What's the problem? I'm just coming back to give you a hand.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but you're not supposed to be back here for safety purposes.
Oh God.
Come on, damn it.
Such an innocent guy, you're acting pretty damn strange, yo.
Aha.
I don't know what to tell you.
Wie groß ist der fucking Raum?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me.
Was ist los?
He's gonna get me killed. Ugh. Things I do. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby. What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff. I don't want to die. Please don't kill me.
If you won't
Talk.
talk, I might have to do just that. What you want, Johan?
No, please. You don't have to do that. I'm dead. Either way.
Okay.
He said to me, Johan, you can keep your life and lose your shop, or lose both. What would you do? It was a simple choice to make in the moment. Easy, even when they got you on a hook in the deep freeze.
Just open the door, Johan. It won't be your problem anymore.
I can't.
Mach
Not.
auf.
What's back there?
I don't know. Honest. I've never been back there. It's locked from the other side. Look, I just worked the front. That's all I'm supposed to do. I've actually
Ja, ich
I
glaub
haven't
zwar.
been back there in years.
So you are a part of this. You've been bullshitting me this whole time. Where's Mary? Where's the fucking...
Oh, sie ist hinter mir.
So help me, I will put your head through that damn door. Tell me what I need to know. Now.
I don't know. I'm not part of their crew.
Crew.
The Crooked Man's people.
Ja, das ist
Jersey
klar
Devil,
gewesen.
D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me. Took over
Ich
my
hab genug
storage
gehört.
and delivery a long time ago.
That's enough, Johan. I've heard all I need to.
I'm just a victim in this.
It's
I don't
okay.
know what they do back there. I swear. And I don't want to know.
It's all right. I believe you. Calm down.
I knew this would happen. Didn't know when.
Ich mach gerade auf. Scheiß auf Hören. Yep. Oh Gott, was ist das? Drogenlabor, oder? Looks like... Entweder Drogen... Oder halt das Zauberzeug. Und er hat den Run-Knopf gedrückt. Nosebleed. Krankheiten.
What is this place?
I told you, Bigby. I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear, I don't know anything more. I haven't been back here when it was like this.
Warning lights.
It's business. It's all I've ever had. I guess that's why I stuck around when they took it.
Du hast ihnen geholfen
You can't act
weg.
like you're forced into this and then turn around and help them. You'd still be here if you hadn't flipped that switch out there.
I had to. Huh. You come in here making trouble for me, but you only give a shit now because the crooked man stepped on your toes or something.
Nein, nein,
Where were
nein.
you when they took this place from me?
Du hättest mir können sagen, was passiert.
It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back? I needed help.
Well, I'm here now. I'm gonna sort this all out.
Deliver to... Yep, das habe ich gedacht, die Zaubereien sind.
So this is what Beast was delivering. Glamours, other kinds of magic. Could be dangerous stuff.
Wer war echt da hinten angekettet gewesen? Das frage ich mich.
Chains. Who's getting chained up here?
I
You
don't
can't
know.
think I'm the only one the crooked man has under his yoke.
Sieht nicht cool aus. Da jetzt sind sie wahrscheinlich rausgekommen. Was ist das? Wer was schuldet oder wer was bestellt hat?
Huh. Looks like math or something.
Math. Oh. Anti-green leaf.
Is everybody on here? Do you know anything about this?
I don't know. A lot of fables out there need a lot of things.
Packages.
That
Okay.
symbol. It's on all the packages. What is it?
Not the
That's the
crooked man.
crooked man's
Yeah.
brand. It's on everything that goes in and out of here.
So you do know something, huh?
Mhm.
Is that a wheel or what?
Oh ja, das ist, wenn man
Guess
geredet
they never
wird.
used that thing on wolves, huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
It's from back in the homelands. A torture device. It came over here with the rest of our stories.
Ich habe euch gerade mal
But the
erzählt vom
Bundys
geredet
need help
werden.
coming up with that kind of thing. It makes people crooked. Like breaking their bones and... Do I really need to explain this?
Eben,
Maybe just don't touch anything back here, please?
man bricht den Leuten Arme und Beine und flechtet es auf ein Rad und lässt es lebendig von den Raben fressen. So. Und für Durst und für Hunger war dann die meiste Todesart gewesen. Also unter Schmerzen mit gebrochenen Gliedern.
What are they making here?
I'm just a boy. You want to talk T-bones? That I can do. This stuff is out of my league.
Tongue of
There are
Dog.
a lot of nasty spells you can make with the right equipment. Don't you see what's going on here? All these faces, magic from him. Business is booming. He's got all he needs. The gear. Slave labor to work it.
Mhm.
So these must be the raw materials. No wonder he needs so much.
Oh, yeah? Why?
Doing it like this. It's bound to be cheaper than the 13th floor.
Yep.
This is just horrible. Things that must have gone on here.
Er versklavt
It's the
fables.
putting in pie girls with the ribbons. Whoever he's got in here in these chains, he's enslaving fables.
Mhm.
My watch. People just don't know the real cost of getting something cheap.
You
Mhm.
don't have to tell me.
That fucker Crane knew all about it.
Yeah, what about it? This all... I mean, finding the crooked man is so fucking important. Why don't you ask your boss?
Oh, come on.
No, Crane. He said he knows where everybody is. I don't know how, but he's got some way. That's right. It was that creepy magic mirror with the big green head and all.
Ja,
Why
man.
don't you just use that? Find the crooked man that way. And leave me alone.
Ja.
Yeah, with stuff like that mirror, I'm surprised that
The
you
mirror
don't
is
need to leave the
broken.
office.
Fucking broken. Crane shattered the mirror and made off with one of the pieces. Probably still has the shard with him.
Well, if they got their hands on an important magical item, there's only one place they'd take it.
Wo?
The Lucky Pawn.
Oh, shit.
Probably throw Crane there, too.
The lucky pawn.
Ah,
Find the
shit.
earpiece there. I can find the crooked man.
Hey, hold on.
What?
Well, I'm real happy you found what you're looking for, Bigby. But what about me? Huh? What the hell am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna have to spend the rest of my short life looking over my shoulder for Bloody Mary. They won't care
Wir finden
that I
den
held
Weg.
up my end.
Report to the business office. Tell Snow I sent you there, and we'll figure something out.
Wir können alle dort versammeln, bis es vorbei ist.
Thank you. Thank you, Sheriff.
Jetzt rauchen wir da zwischen dem Fleisch, oder was? Ohne Scheiß, Bigby. Oh, man. Sorry, Johann, but you're too deep. Alright, liebe Leute. Wir sehen uns das nächste Mal wieder mit Wolfgang Among Us. Wir kommen dem Zeug langsam auf die Spur. Ich habe jetzt einfach Angst, dass im Lucky Pond nichts mehr rum ist. Aber ich wollte Beauty beschützen. Weil der Beast sich ja kann wehren. Und der Johann kann sich zwar auch nicht wehren, aber das habe ich vorher nicht gewusst. Und das ist eigentlich recht übel, die Entscheidung, die man treffen muss. Also, bis zum nächsten Mal. Peace.